Want to know how to create automated follow-up emails in Salesforce? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to set up your follow-up email automation in Salesforce to save you time and improve your customer engagement. Stick around till the end because I'm also going to share how you can get Salesforce for free with some exclusive bonuses just for you. First things first, automating follow-up emails in Salesforce is an easy process, and it starts with setting up a new email template. To do this, head to the Email Template section in Salesforce. Select New Template and then choose the type of template you need. For follow-ups, a custom HTML or text-based template works great. Customize it to include the information you typically send to clients after a meeting, call, or interaction. Make sure to personalize it with merge fields like first name, so each email feels tailored to the recipient. Next thing, you need to create an automation tool to send these emails out at the right time. In Salesforce, this can be done with Workflow Rules or Process Builder. Let's go with Workflow Rules, which is quick and easy. From the Setup menu, type Workflow Rules into the search bar. Click on New Rule and choose the object you want to base this rule on, like lead or opportunity. Now, set your criteria. For example, you can set the rule to trigger when an opportunity is moved to a certain stage, like close not won, or when a lead hasn't responded in X days. The third thing, you're going to assign the action. Once the criteria are met, you'll want to send the follow-up email. Click on Add Workflow Action and choose Email Alert. Then, select the email template you created earlier. You'll also need to define the recipients of the email. Usually, that's the contact associated with the opportunity or lead. The fourth thing, test your workflow. Before going live, make sure to test the rule by creating a test lead or opportunity and check if the follow-up email is triggered as expected. It's important to make sure everything is smooth, so you don't miss any important follow-ups. Lastly, don't forget to monitor your automation's performance. Salesforce provides you with robust reports and dashboards to track email delivery and response rates. Make sure your follow-up process is working efficiently and adjust the workflow if needed. Now, here's something I promised you. Did you know that you can use Salesforce for free from the first link below? Not only that, but there are exclusive bonuses available when you sign up through my link, giving you access to even more tools and features at no extra cost. So, there you have it. Creating automated follow-up emails in Salesforce is simple and powerful. If you want to dive deeper into Salesforce's automation features, check the first link in the description. Enjoy your extended free trial and start automating your sales process today.